Dear friends, we are back again with 40 MCQs for chapter 4, the rat trap. So, without further delay, let's begin. Question number 1. Who is the author of the rat trap? A. Selma Lagerlof, B. Thomas B. Allen, C. Howard Phillips, D. Sudha Murthy. The answer is A. Selma Lagerlof. Question number 2. Which country does the author belong to? A. Singapore, B. Sydney, C. Sweden, D. Switzerland. The answer is C. Sweden. Sweden. Question number 3. Where has the story been set up? A. Jewelry shops, B. Forests of Sweden, C. Roads of Sweden, D. Mines of Sweden. The answer is D. The story is set in mines of Sweden. Question number 4. Sweden mines are rich in which ore? A. Brass, B. Copper, C. Steel, D. Iron ore. The answer is D. Sweden mines are rich in iron ore. Question number 5. In what manner has the story been narrated? A. Non-fictitious style, B. Realistic manner, C. Fictitious fairy tale manner, D. None. The answer is C. It is narrated in the fictitious fairy tale manner. Question number 6. What is the message of the story? A. Love and kindness are powerful reformers, B. Kindness is powerless, C. Kindness encourages thieves, D. Thieves need reprimand. The answer is obvious. It is A. Love and kindness are powerful reformers. Question number 7. The story revolves around whom? Around Crofter and his daughter, B. Around Crofter, C. Around Iron Man, D. Around Peddler, the rat trap seller. The answer is obvious. It revolves around the rat trap seller, peddler, whatever he's called. Question number 8. What does a rat trap seller have to do to make his both ends meet? A. Peddling, B. Selling, C. Begging, D. Thievery and begging. The correct answer is D. The rat trap seller, to make both his ends meet, he does some thievery and occasionally begs also in the streets. Question number 9. Why does the peddler knit up various kinds of thoughts? A. Because of greed, B. Because of traveling, C. Because of loneliness and poverty, D. None. Correct answer is C. The peddler is lonely and he does not have much to do since he is poor. Hence, he knit up strange kind of thoughts. Question number 10. In a peddler's view, what does the world look like? A rat, B. A jungle, C. A jigsaw, D. A rat. The correct answer is D. A rat trap. The peddler views the world as a big rat trap and all the humans as rats. Question number 11. According to the seller, what leads us to various miseries? A. Attractions, B. People, C. Friends, D. Wishes and greed of comfort. The answer is D. Wishes and greeds of comfort. Question number 12. Why did the peddler have to take shelter? A. Because of his wishes, B. Because he wants to steal, C. Because he wants to be with his friends, D. Because he had no home. The correct answer is D. The peddler had to take shelter because he had no home. Question number 13. Who offered shelter to the peddler? A. A beggar, B. A friend, C. A milkman, and D. An old crofter. The correct answer is D. Shelter to the peddler was offered by an old crofter. Question number 14. What made the peddler finally change his ways? A. Edla's beauty, B. His mistaken identity, C. His greed, or D. Kindness and care. The correct answer is D. The peddler changed his ways due to Edla's kindness and care. Question number 15. What does the metaphor rat trap in the lesson signify? A. Humans, B. Thieves, C. Attractions, D. Human greed and destruction. The answer is D. Human greed and distractions. Question number 16. What light is the seriousness of the lesson? A. Peddler's greed. B. Peddler's gossip. C. Peddler's tricks. D. Peddler's sense of humor. The answer is D. Peddler's sense of humor. Question number 17. What earns the sympathy of the reader towards the peddler? A. His actions. B. His stories. C. His face. D. His sense of humor and innocent acceptance. The correct answer is D. His sense of humor and innocent acceptance. Question number 18. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? A. From his friend's situation. B. From Crofter's behavior. C. From Edla's word. D. From his circumstances and miserable life condition. The answer is D. From his circumstances and miserable life conditions. Question number 19. Why was he amused by his idea of a rat trap? A. It was a bad joke. B. It was a good comparison. C. It was the exact situation and he was humorous. D. None. The correct answer is C. Because it was the exact situation and was humorous. 20. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? A. Because they knew him. B. He was his friend. C. He was his neighbor. D. Because of his resemblance to one of his old friends. Now the correct answer is D. Because of his resemblance to one of his old friends. Question number 21. Why did Edla bring the peddler to her house for Christmas cheer? A. Because she knew. B. He was very funny. C. He was good looking. D. Because of his resemblance to her father's old friend. Now the correct answer is of course D. Because of his resemblance to her father's old friend. Question number 22. Why did the peddler leave the stolen money in a rat trap? A. Because of his plan. B. To deceive them. C. Because of fear of Ironmaster. D. None. The correct answer is C. Because of his fear of Ironmaster. Question number 23. How is the peddler influenced by meeting the crofter and Edla? A. He was encouraged to steal money. B. He became a rat trap seller. C. His heart was changed. D. None. The correct answer is C. His heart was changed. Question number 24. What doubts did Edla have about peddler? A. His behavior. B. His words. C. His fear and appearance. Or D. None. The correct answer is D. C. His fear and appearance. Question number 25. Why did peddler not reveal his true identity? A. Because of fear. B. He didn't want to hurt them. C. In the greed of getting money. Or D. None. The answer is C. In the greed of getting money. Question number 26. Why did peddler feel that he had fallen into the rat trap? A. Because he fell into a pit. B. Because he fell in love with Edla. C. Because his heart has changed. D. Because of his greedy action and pitiable circumstances. The correct answer is D. Because of his greedy action and pitiable circumstances. Question number 27. Why did Crofter show 30 kroner to the peddler? A. To boast. B. To flaunt. C. Because he considers him a friend. D. To share his feelings of pride. The correct answer is D. The crofter wanted to share his feelings of pride to someone since he was lonely. Question number 20. Why did the peddler have to resort to begging and thievery? A. Poverty. B. Miserable life. C. Because of non-profitability of his business. Or D. None. The correct answer is C. Because of non-profitability of his business. Here I would like to make sure that you know that a peddler's business, his peddler's business was selling rat traps. He used to sell rat traps. That was his business. Let it be. I am pitiful. I have some pitiful writing. So let it be. We will. I will only speak. You listen. Peddler's business was selling rat traps, and it was non-profitable. Hence, he had to resort to begging and thievery. I guess it is clear. So, question number 29. Who used to make rat traps? A. Crofter, B. Edla, C. Crofter and Edla, D. Peddler. The answer is obvious. Question number 29. D. Peddler. Question number 30. From where did the peddler get the material to make rat traps? A. Shops, B. Roads, C. Streets, D. Stores. The answer is D. From small stores, he would ask for wire and other materials required to make a rat trap, and then he will make the rat traps from them, and then he will sell the rat traps. Question number 31. How did Crofter treat the peddler? A. Very rudely, B. In a strange manner, C. Friendly manner, or D. None. The answer is C. In a friendly manner. Question number 32. Why did Peddler sign himself as Captain Bonestale? A. He didn't want to hurt them. B. Because of love and care. C. Because of mistaken identity. D. None. The answer is C. Because he was mistaken as a captain, hence he wanted to leave as a captain. So, he signed himself as Captain Bonestale. Sorry. Back to question number 33. Why did Iron Master realize his mistake? A. Because of Edla. B. Because of Peddler's words. C. Because of his friend. D. Because of uncertain reflections in Edla. The answer is D. Because of uncertain reflections in Edla. Question number 34. What made the peddler finally change his heart? A. Edla's words. B. Edla's appearance. C. Edla's father. D. Edla's goodness and care. The answer is D. Edla's goodness and care. Question number 35. What was the peddler's profession and who he was? A. Selling traveler. B. Begging traveler. C. Stealing and thief, or D. None. The answer is C. His profession was stealing and he was a thief. Question number 36. Why did the peddler feel like stealing? A. Greed. B. Poverty. C. Miserable life. D. Others' indifference to his needs. The answer is D. Others' indifference to his needs. He felt like stealing because no one was actually cared about him and what he was doing. That he was on wrong path on stealing, or he was a good man. So no one cared, hence he also stopped caring, and hence he stole. Question number 37. How did the crofter tempt the peddler to steal his money? A. By his kindness. B. By his warm care. C. By showing him money, or D. None. The answer is C. The crofter tempted him by showing him money. Question number 38. Why did the peddler decline the invitation? A. Because he had stolen money. B. He wanted to run. C. He wanted to hide money. D. He wanted to go back to his place. The answer is D. He wanted to go back to his place. 39. Question number 39. How much money did the peddler stole from Crofter? 20 kroners, 10 kroners, 40 kroners, or 30 kroners? The answer is D. 30 kroners. Question number 40. Why did Edla plead her father not to send the vagabond away? Because of his father, because of his father's friend, because of his resemblance to her father's friend, B. Because of sympathy and his poor life condition. the correct answer is C, because D, because of his sympathy and poor life condition. Egla did not want her father to send him away because she pitied him and his poor life condition and wanted to actually give him something to remember about in his miserable life. She wanted him to remember her care and goodness so that he does not perform the acts of stealing again and lived an honest life. And with this, I end this chapter. We have finally covered chapter 4, the rat trap. So let's meet again in our next video. We will cover chapter Indigo in the next video. So stay tuned.